Good morning, class 4. How are you? Hope so, all are fine. Today we will discuss chapter 7, exercise 7.5. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. So, you have did prime factorization method for the finding HCF also. Today we will discuss for finding LCM. So, in the prime factorization, firstly we will factorize the given number separately. After that we will take their LCM. So, I am taking 12 and 18 as an example. Firstly, I am taking 12. 12 is an even number and our first prime number is 2. So, we will divide it by 2. When we will divide 12 by 2, we will get 6. Again 6 is an even number, so we will divide by 2, again we will get 3. Now 3 is an odd number and our next prime number is 3. So we will use here 3. We will divide by 3, we will get 1. Now these are the prime factorization of 12. Now we will take for 18. 18 is also an even number, so firstly we will divide it by 2. So we will divide by 2, we will get 3. Now 9. 9 is an odd number now. We can divide by 2, so we will take the next prime number, that is 3. We will divide by 3 by getting 3. Again we will divide by 3, we will get 1. So these are the prime factorization of 18. So here are the prime factorization of 12 and here for 18. Now we will take it LCM. Student, you know the meaning of LCM is lowest common multiple. It means that multiple which is common from both and that is lowest, that should be lowest. So firstly we can take 2 is common in both the factors. So we will take 2 here. The next one is 3. 3 is also common from both. So we will take 3 here. These both are common. But we can take 2 and 3 also together because these are not common but these are lowest common. So we will take 2 at once and 3 also at once and the multiplication of all is 36. It means the lowest common multiple is 36. See one thing more, 36 is that multiple which comes in the table of 12 and in the table of 18 also at the lowest stage. So this is the lowest common multiple. Similarly, we will take one more example here with the 25, 40 and 60. We will again find the prime factorization of the given 3 numbers here. For 25, 5 multiply 5. For 40, 2, 2, 2 and 5. For 60, 2, 2, 3 and 5. We will put the factorization like this. Now we will find the LCM for this all. 2 is just common in both but not here. Firstly, there are common 5 in all the 3 numbers, so we will take 5. After that, 2 is just common in both and this 2 is also just common in both. But these are lowest from this, we will take it also. Now, the rest part are 5, 2 and 3. We will also take these 3 numbers because these are one time common and it means these are lowest common. So, we will take these all. When we will multiply these all number, we will get 600 as the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple of all. It means 600 is that number which comes in the table of 25, 40 and 60 at the lowest position. So this is all about prime factorization methods. Next exercise, exercise 7.6, that based on the topic find the LCM by common division method. So in the last topic you did LCM by prime factorization method. There is a little bit difference between both, that where we did the prime factorization separately of every number and here the topic is common division method. So we will divide all the numbers in a common division form. So here we will use this method to find LCM. So see here, I am taking one example. 12, 16, 48, 60, there are given 4 number in this question. So we are taking its common division. So 12, 16, 14, 60. These are the 4 number we will divide as common. So these all are even number. Firstly we will divide by 2. So in the table of 2, 12 will come at 6, 16 at 8, 48 at 24, 60 at 30. Now again there are all even numbers, again we will divide by 2. So we will take 2, in the table of 2, 6 will come at 3, 8 at 4, 24 at 12, 30 at 15. Again, here are two numbers are even and two numbers are odd. But we will divide till then. Till then this number will be divisible at a single number. So at the these two numbers are divisible. So we will take 2. In the table of 2, 3 will remain unchanged, because if any number is not divisible, we will take that same. So 3 will remain same, 4 at 2, 12 at 6, 15 will be same. Again we will take 2 because 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. So 3 will remain same. In the table of 2 at 1, in the table of 2, 6 at 3 and 15 will remain same. Now we can divide any other number by 2. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. In the table of 3, 3 will come at 1, 1 at 1, 3 at 1 and 15 at 5. Now next we will divide by 5 because there is only 5, and we will divide with 5 at 1 and the rest one will be same. Now the LCM is the multiplication of all these numbers, because here we did take the common division. So the LCM will be, these are the common factors of all these numbers, and the LCM will be the multiplication of these all numbers. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. When we will divide these whole number, we will get 240 as the LCM of all these numbers. So this is the common division method for finding LCM. Thank you.